Hello, today we are going to build a traffic light LED card. Let us see what components we will need. We are going to need the traffic light print that is in our kit, one red LED, one green LED and one yellow LED, some wire, a coin cell, some copper tape and some paper tape, or you can use a sellotape as well. First of all, take some crayons or sketch pen and color the print. Now we are done coloring the paper. Let's flip the paper. Take the LEDs and spread their legs. Place the LEDs in a way that all the terminals this side are positive and this side are negative. Now take some tape and stick the LEDs to its position. Do it in a way that the color of the LEDs match the color of the circle in the drawing. Now take a piece of wire and connect all the negative joints of the LED together. You can bend the leg of the LED to secure the wire. Now let's connect this wire to the yellow LED. After this, cut 3 small pieces of copper tape. And stick it to the positive terminals of the LED, extending the connection. Now let's fold the paper in half. Now take a long piece of copper tape and stick it to this side of the paper so that when we fold the page, the exposed ends of the LED touch this copper tape. Now take the coin cell and a small piece of copper tape. Attach the positive side of the battery to the copper tape. Now take a piece of long wire and connect it to the negative terminal of the green LED. Bend the LED leg to secure it properly. Now take a very small piece of paper tape, connect this wire to the negative side of the coin cell. So now we have completed our project. To check the output, let's fold the paper. Tap near one individual light to light it up. Here we have completed our project. Thanks for watching.